In the last 5 years, work zone crashes have killed over 1,000 people and injured more than 18,000. And the reality is, most of those deaths were actually not construction workers. Hey everyone, Josh here with your Safety Center update. This week we are talking about construction zone safety, and I'm bringing it up now because spring is on the way and construction season is coming fast. In the next few weeks, you're going to start seeing a lot more cones, barrels, lane closures, and workers on the road. So nearly 30% of all work zone accidents involve large trucks. In a 2021 study, over 33% of fatal crashes in work zones involved commercial vehicles like ours. In the last 5 years, work zone crashes have killed over 1,000 people and injured more than 18,000. And the reality is, most of those deaths were actually not construction workers, they were drivers. And that means when we screw up in a work zone, it's other people paying the price. Work zones create sudden speed changes. Cars hit their brakes, lanes merge without notice, and workers are standing in live traffic. That is happening a lot, and it happens very quickly. A fully loaded truck needs about 525 feet to stop. That is almost 2 football fields. If you are speeding in a work zone and traffic suddenly slows down, you're not going to be able to stop in time. You're going to go through cars, barriers, or worse, workers standing on the side of the road. And the number one cause of work zone accidents is speeding, and that is completely preventable. So, how should we operate in work zones? Number one, slow down before you get there. Do not wait until you are in the work zone to start braking. If the sign says 45 miles an hour, start easing off while you see it. Let's adjust early and not late. Second, turn off the cruise control. Construction zones require constant adjustments, and you need to be on the throttle so you can react to speed changes, merging traffic, and sudden slowdowns. Cruise control takes that control away from you. So let's remember that. Number 3, increase your following distance. If you are tailgating in a work zone, you have 0 room to react. Double your normal space. Triple it if the lanes are tight or traffic is heavy. Give yourself room to stop. Number 4, stay out of the left lanes unless signs direct you into it. Let cars pass on the left. Keep right in construction zones for signs that specifically tell you to do so. This keeps traffic flowing, it keeps you out of trouble, and it gives you an escape route if something goes wrong. Number 5, watch for workers and flaggers. These are people out there in live traffic, and they are depending on you to follow instructions. If a flagger tells you to stop or to slow down, do it immediately. Those are not suggestions, they are directions to help keep people safe and help keep people alive. Number 6, stay in your lane. If you drift, you are taking out equipment, barriers, or another vehicle. So keep it tight and stay focused, and do not let your mind or yourself wander. And the last thing you can expect is enforcement. Fines double in work zones in most states, and law enforcement is watching. A speeding ticket in a construction zone is expensive. It hurts you financially, and it goes straight to our SMS scores. One violation can cost you money and cost us points that we don't want to give away. And I want to be specific about Indiana, because we have had a couple of speeding tickets now come from Indiana, and I want to let you guys know you will be stopped and you will be cited for speeding in the great state of Indiana. They do not mess around, and neither should we. I understand construction zones slow you down. They mess with your schedule, and they are frustrating. But construction workers go home to their families just like everyone else. Their safety is in your hands, so please slow down and stay alert Treat every construction zone like someone's life depends on it, because it does. I want to thank you all for what you do. Stay safe, and I'll see you out there.